Hey, this is James again with JJ Media. Today, or this video, I am just asking for you to subscribe to my channel. I am really trying to get back into YouTube and grow a channel. I had one channel grown and there was something that happened, but I want you to subscribe. So subscribe, share, and connect with us. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and just kind of do an overview of what I've done, what I'm doing, but I am going to have the link below. I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel. This is what all this video is about. Subscribe to my channel. So we're going to go to the computer and I will show you my channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Alright, I do a lot of video marketing, and just to show you what I've done, I've uploaded a couple videos today. I do different tips. I do video reviews, productivity tips. I did coffee, and I just finally did a live video. And I just now, my video or my channel is really starting to pick up steam, but I'm asking you to subscribe. That's what this is all about. Of course, there's my sparkling ice water coffee, another coffee review. I kind of give some opinions, and I go through a lot of different things showing how to fix WordPress scheduler, use Microsoft Defender, and using Canva, PLR products. I mean, you can look at my channel. And as you see, I really haven't been doing a whole lot up until this last month. I have really started uploading more channels or more videos. So all this video is about is I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, share, and then below, connect below on our social media. That's what all this video is about. So, thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you the next video.